In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to projects in Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your file lands in the right place inside your project. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Grok AI. In the search results, click the official Grok AI website to head straight to the app. If you're ever unsure, look for the trusted domain and the familiar interface so you know you're in the right place. Once the page loads, move your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. Just above the profile icon, you'll see a small control to expand the sidebar. Click that expand icon. This opens up the full navigation panel, making it much easier to move around. In the expanded sidebar, click on Projects. This takes you to your list of projects. Find the project where you want to add your file and open it. Choose the project that's most relevant to the document you're about to upload so everything stays organized and easy to find later. Inside the project, navigate to the Personal Files area. This is the dedicated space for files you want associated with this project. Think of it as your project's file drawer. Adding documents here keeps your resources close to the conversations and tasks that need them. Now it's time to add your file. Look for the Attach option, then select Upload a File. This will open your computer's file picker. Browse to the document you want to add, select it, and click Open. You'll be brought back to Grok AI with the file staged for upload. Before you finish, look for the Save button and click it to confirm. Saving finalizes the upload and ensures the file is stored in the project's personal files list. Give it a moment if the file is large. You may see a brief progress indicator. When it's done, your document should appear in the list, ready to reference, share, or use in your project workflow. A few quick tips as you work. Use clear, descriptive file names so you can find items quickly. Keep related documents together in the same project to reduce hunting later. And be mindful of any file size or format limits that may apply. If you don't immediately see the projects option or the attach button, make sure the sidebar is expanded and you're inside the correct project. That's it. You searched for Grok AI, opened the site, expanded the sidebar, went to projects, opened your project, moved into personal files, chose attach and upload a file, then clicked save to finish. You're now set to keep your project files neatly organized in Grok AI.